দিছ ৱৰ্কশ্বপ অৰ্গেনাইজ কৰা হৈছে আমাৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট চিভিল অথৰিটিৰ পৰা মানে ছ'চিয়েল ৱেলফেয়াৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ পৰা টু ষ্টপ ভাইলেন্স এগেইনষ্ট ওমেন। This is a slogan given by the Prime Minister of India. So, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. This is one of the most important aspect for on behalf of the women. So, with the District Legal Service Authority, Social Welfare Department, Civil Administration, as well as Police Administration are responsible for carrying out the said activity as well as slogan of the Honorable Prime Minister of India. So we will organize any further program regarding upliftment of women and protection and prevention of women from offenses and social discrimination. Thank you.